Hello everyone, welcome to Ignite India Education. My name is Naveen Yadav. I am an alumnus of NIFT Bangalore, and in this video I am going to talk about NIFT result 2022 along with NIFT admission counseling process. As you all know that NIFT may announce the final result on or before 25th of May. So in that for all the courses of NIFT, you know that there are 5 courses in NIFT, 2 courses in bachelor's, that is BDes and BF Tech, and 3 courses in masters, MDes, MF Tech and MFM. So in the result you will get to know your CMR, which is common merit rank, and CR, category rank, along with total marks obtained out of 100. Just after your result you will get a notification from NIFT regarding your admission counseling process, and remember, after that you have hardly 10 days to collect all your documents ready for the counseling process. And if your documents is rejected by NIFT, you are going to lose the seat, which you can't afford to do. Once NIFT announces the result, just after that we are going to start the NIFT admission counseling process assistance, where we are going to help all you students. Just once NIFT announces the result, just after that we are going to start our NIFT counseling process assistance. And remember, last year we helped more than 800 students, and they were the part of paid premium counseling, where we helped more than 800 students. So this year also we are coming up with NIFT admission counseling process assistance, where we are targeting more than 2000 students. So what is NIFT counseling process? Let's understand this. So it is a process where seats are allocated in NIFT based on your category and common merit rank. Remember, these are two different things. Category rank is in your category and common merit rank is overall rank. So based on these two factors, and also based on the availability of the seats, you are going to get the seat. We are going to help you in this, but for that you need to submit all your documents and fee. This is crucial process, because if this is rejected, you are going to lose the seat. We don't want that. So what Ignite India will do, we will verify all your documents so that it will not be rejected when you go for the counseling. We will also help you in depositing the fee through online process. I know 2-3 persons personally, they had secured good rank in NIFT, and just because of this document process they were not able to get the desired center. I know a person in 2020, her rank, all India rank was 8, and she was not able to get the admission in the first round because her document was not correct. She got the admission in the second round, but again with all India 8 rank you can easily get NIFT Delhi. She was not able to get NIFT Delhi. So I don't want that to happen with you. That's why Ignite India is going to help you in that. So we will verify all your documents, we will help you in depositing fee also. All your documents will be pre-verified. NIFT is not going to reject that. Based on your rank, we will help you in choosing you the best campus possible. So this is what Ignite India is going to help you. Once you join the college, Ignite India will also help you in selecting IDM and DS, which is crucial for master student, because they have to select in the first semester itself. If you want to contact, you will find the contact number in the description of this video. Also you will find the Google form link in the description of this video. You can always connect to us through Instagram, where we will keep posting all the related and relevant news regarding NIFT admission counseling process. Before filling the Google form, please make sure that you are ready with your photographs and NIFT result, because that is mandatory for filling the Google form. All the best for your result. Stay connected with Ignite India through YouTube and Instagram, and also through the contact number given in the description of this video. We will see you after your result.